Unlock the full potential of Nano Banana in Photoshop and turn your creative visions into reality with the power of perfectly crafted prompts. First, locate the Nano Banana plugin within Photoshop. You will want to pinpoint the prompt input field. This is where the magic happens, so make sure it's clearly visible. Now, let's craft our first prompt instead of vague requests. Be specific. For instance, instead of just writing lion, try a majestic lion roaring at sunset. Photorealistic. The more details you provide, the better the AI understands your vision. Experiment with adding artistic styles, camera angles, and lighting conditions to refine your results. Try a pending Van Gogh style or specifying a wide-angle shot to see how it alters the generated image. Use negative prompts to eliminate unwanted elements if you see deformed features or blurriness. Add these to the negative prompt section to guide the AI away from those attributes. See the difference? A simple prompt leads to generic results, while a detailed prompt unleashes the true power of Nano Banana, leading to truly unique results. Incorporate your generated images into your Photoshop workflow to elevate your projects with stunning eye-poured visuals. Keep experimenting, refining your prompts, and unlocking new creative possibilities. That's it for this tutorial. Go forth and explore the limitless creative potential of Nano Banana with your newfound prompt engineering skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.